Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a reel on Facebook. So if you want to create a reel on Facebook, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for Facebook and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. If there's an update, go ahead and update the app. Now after the update, go ahead and open the app. Now to post a reel, go ahead and tap on the plus sign here at the top right, and then tap on reel. Now you want to go ahead and post a reel from your phone library. Now go ahead and add any audios, noise reducers, text, or any effects, any stickers, and then tap on next. Go ahead and give it a caption. Here you can add a poll, tag people, locations, add an AI label, and then once you're done, tap on share now, and that will upload your reel to Facebook. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a Facebook reel on Facebook. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.